Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm just going to be giving you guys a preview of the template that I came up with. This is for the Skittles bag, just the regular size. And this is pretty much what I came up with. I have adjusted the design space since this template, but that's pretty much what I got. And as you can see, I did cut the ridges on the sides just as you would find with the regular Skittles pack, and I used I do not know what these things is, but I got them in like a pack of 6 off of Amazon. They work pretty good, and to me, if you use just regular paper, this would be just fine. I feel this is this is just regular Walmart paper, I think. Yeah, I don't think I used the Xerox paper for this, but to me, if I would have like did a design on it, I think it still would have came out cute. Yeah, as long as you put your original, I'm gonna go ahead and open it so you guys can see how it fits over the original. Can you guys see that? But as you can see, it is like barely any space. Like this template is on point, but it was some extra spacing like on the sides. It was more, but I cut it, I trimmed it down with the scissors. So that is why there is extra space at the top, just so you got room to cut that mug down. But this is what it looks like when you open it up. And this is just for the 2.17 ounce pack of Skittles. It is made to go over that, to fit over that perfect. If you guys, the video that has the measurements will only be on my Patreon page. So, yeah, as you guys know, my Patreon page is pretty much where I put up all of my measurements and things like that, so that you can create these templates yourself and get to designing and add these items to your shop. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. And as always, I will see you guys soon. Bye.